this must be one of the easiest ways to day trade penny stocks. I'm actually making a series of videos of all the ways that I trade penny stocks, whether it's aftermarket, pre-market, or overnight swings. And the easiest strategy out of all is the pre-market one, and I'll explain. So first, we're going to be using the VWAP strategy, and I already made a video about it. The video is called How to Master Your Entries and Exits When Trading. In the video, I'm talking about the VWAP strategy. And remember, I said that the middle line, the middle band, is the VWAP, and that's basically the average price traded. The lower band is support line. The upper band is like a resistance line. So in the pre-market sessions, I usually actually wake up at 4 in the morning and I screen stocks. I was looking for the stocks that have the most price movement, and this stock in particular is QEP. Today in the morning, it had like a 60% price action. It was 60% up, and I was waiting until the moment that it reaches the lower VWAP band. And when it did, I actually entered, and the price was about 1.1. And because it's a pre-market session, you have to use a limit buy, a limit order. And when it asks you the time, you do the extended hours. And this is how you enter. And sometimes it can get tricky, but you just have to modify your orders if you can get into a position. And then when you do, all you have to do is just create a market order to sell it and just wait until the market opens. So what happens is basically you have a lot of people that get in around the lower supporting lines, because what people want, they want to buy cheap and sell expensive, buy low, sell high. So people wait until it gets to around the supporting lines, and then everybody, and especially in this market, man, everybody is pulling in market sell order. So right as the market opens, and you can see it with a lot of stocks these days, stocks will just drop. On top of that, you also have a lot of short sellers that pushing the price. But yeah, that's what most people want to do. They want to get the price in the pre-market session right before the market opens, and everybody's making a market order to sell it. So the price just keeps going up. I'm sorry, because people are trying to get into a position right before the market opens, and then right when the market opens, everyone's order is triggered, so it makes the price just go down. So that's why you don't want to keep the stock no matter what. And what you need to do is just practice about this, like practice with the strategy. Again, when it comes to trading, it's all about practicing, but the strategy is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is wait for a supporting line or a lower band in the VWAP, get into a position, and then make a market order to sell. And I'll give you another example because this is a strategy that really repeats itself. It was UAVs. Sounds like a UAV in Call of Duty. So again, and this is not the trade that I took, but it's pretty similar, and it's actually it ended up being more profitable. This one, if you would get into the lower VWAP line, you would get in around 249, and then when the market opened in here at 6:30, probably open around like $4. So almost doubled the money that you have. But the trade that I took, QEP. So the price that I got into it was around like 1.1, and it opened at like 1.5. So it was an easy 1,000 for me. But another way that you can use it, because when it comes to pre-market, if you don't have $25,000 in your account and you're using like a regular broker, you would only be able to do it only 3 times in a 7-day period. So it's a very predictable way, because if you think about it, you have only 3 day trades in a 7-day period. You don't have a lot. So you have to use a strategy that's pretty predictable. And this is one of my favorite strategies on growing a small account, especially even if you don't have enough to short sell stocks. it's one of the most predictable ways to do. All you have to do is just get the VWAP strategy, wait until it gets to the lower line, get a limit buy pre-market. Usually it can happen at 4 in the morning, it can happen at 5, 5:30. And again, I'm talking West Coast hours. I live in the West Coast. So if you're in the East Coast, it's like 9, 8, I don't know, before the market opens. In here, you can find it like sometimes it can be 30 minutes before the market opens, and sometimes it can be like an hour before the market opens. But when the price is touching the lower VWAP band, and you get in the price, like you get into the stock, you buy it, you get into a position, it just goes up right before the market opens. You sell it, everyone else is selling it, and that's basically what creates the price action of it going up. But at the same time, right after you sell it, it just goes down. So you have to be cautious about it and don't keep it after the market opens. So this is the first video in this series of videos. I'm going to show another videos, just like I said, after hours and swings and other day trade strategies during the market hours. I hope that you learned from this video, and if you feel like you learned something and you really like this, basically the penny stock topics, please give me a like and a subscribe.